Welcome to Zenfolds. In this video, we are going to be going over the origami bird base. We start off with a preliminary base with the open ends facing towards you. From here, we are just going to fold the right lower edge of the top layer towards the center. And do the same thing on the left, kind of like making a kite base. Now fold the top half down and make a really strong crease. Unfold everything. And as you can see, we have this diamond-shaped crease in the center. What we want to do is lift up the top layer as though it is a hood of a car. Let everything follow the creases that we previously made and flatten the model. And now we just repeat the same thing on the other side. And here we go, guys, the bird base. Thanks for watching, everyone.